Politics that is now taking place where the AIADMK is now questioning the law and order situation in the state. Well, in the meantime, when it comes to the AIADMK that has been raising questions over the law and order situation in the state, this is with regards to when it comes to the vandalism that has now taken place of the CPIM office. And this is being reported in the Tirunelveli district where Dharani has been giving us this update as far as the police, meanwhile, has also registered a case. Let me also go across to Dharani back on that because Dharani, how is the AIADMK now reacting, saying that this is disturbing to show the law and order situation?
Well, definitely the AIADMK has been for the past 3 years since the GMK government came to power. They've been complaining that the law and order situation in Tamil Nadu is going into nothing. So in fact, one thing that we have to understand here is that the Marxist Communist Party here, we're talking about, that is an alliance with the ruling GMK in Tamil Nadu. So they've been contesting elections for about for 5-6 years now, continuously together, be it 2019 parliamentary elections, 21 assembly elections, or the recently held 2024 parliamentary elections. All of these elections were contested by the Marxist Communist Party and the Dravida Munnetra Kalagam in Tamil Nadu together. So now the AIADMK is questioning that their alliance partners party office was ransacked by goons for an intercaste marriage. What is the action that the GMK government is going to do to ensure that at least their alliance partners are safe and their workers are safe is the bigger question that's being raised by the AIADMK. So they are telling that if the GMK's alliance partners itself, they are not safe in the state, how will the general public, the commoners, be able to walk freely or safely in roads is the bigger question that is being raised by the GMK. Definitely the AIADMK has picked this issue up, and EPS is also questioned the GMK silence on this matter, and they are telling that the strictest possible action should be taken against the goons who entered the CPIM office in Tirunelveli and vandalized the complete office for an intercaste marriage between a couple.
Right, because Dharani, as far as we can just go through the post of Mr. Eddipadi Palniswamy, he seems to be raising the question, saying that it is unfortunate that when it comes to issues of caste untouchability, that is still rampant in the state, and he is now urging the state chief minister to take note and also condemning in the way that vandalism has occurred at the CPM office.
Of course, the GMK, has been a party which has been talking a lot about social justice, against caste discrimination. So this has happened in one of the important towns of Tamil Nadu. Tirunelveli is a very developed district here in Tamil Nadu, and this vandalism has taken place in Tirunelveli in broad daylight because a couple belonging to two different communities. One from the Pillai
Mr.
community.
Kovai Satyan is with us right now. Sir, what do you make of this case of vandalism that is now taking place at the CPIM office, sir?
Intercaste marriage is not a crime and it is not wrong. But look at the plight. The DMK, who calls themselves as the champions of social justice and equality, and their allies, its office is vandalized, shows the state of law and order in this Tamil Nadu. This is what our leader has been citing time and again. Law and order is not in its right shape, and police are not given the free hand to act according to the law. And people have the audacity to break open a party office and vandalize this is highly condemnable.
Right, sir.
Police cannot be the mute spectator watching people taking law into their hands.
Right, sir. We are told that multiple arrests that have been made by the police, and police have also registered a case on this regard.